Welcome to the Crypto Breakdown Show, your trusted guide through the ever-evolving world of digital assets. Each week, we break down the latest market moves, industry trends, and major news shaping the future of crypto. Just a reminder, this is not financial advice. We're here to share news, insights, and updates to help you stay informed and ahead of the curve. Let's dive in. Recapping some of the top news from September 22nd. With the weekend flash crash, the crypto market dropped 4.01%, extending a week-long slide of the same amount, despite a modest 1.57% gain for the month. Meanwhile, the SEC rolled out updated ETF guidelines, clarifying some rules, but also adding new compliance hurdles for pending XRP and altcoin ETFs, putting a damper on institutional momentum. Altcoins were hit hard. Uniswap and Aave slid over 10%, while the CoinDesk 20 index dropped 5.4% with every constituent in the red. HBAR plunged 6% on heavy institutional selling, with trading volumes nearly triple the daily average. Even Shiba Inu fell 5%, but it managed to bounce off record lows, still outperforming Dogecoin. Meanwhile, gold surged, hinting that some investors rotated profits into traditional safe haven assets. Not everyone is running for the exits. One trader reportedly deployed $15 million to buy Bitcoin, Solana, and even speculative tokens like Hype and Pump, betting the dip could set the stage for the next rebound. So the big question, is this just another shakeout, or a deeper move towards safe haven assets? The market isn't standing still. And now, let's look at some of today's good news in crypto. Despite the weekend flash crash, corporate confidence in Bitcoin remains strong. Strategy quietly added 850 BTC, nearly $100 million, mostly funded through stock sales, showing continued faith in crypto as a treasury asset. Mining giant Iron jumped 11% after doubling its AI cloud fleet in a $674 million expansion, raising revenue targets to $500 million by early 2026. Strive plans to acquire Semler Scientific, creating one of the largest Bitcoin corporate stacks with nearly 11,000 BTC. Meanwhile, AgriForce One, with Anthony Scaramucci involved, is rebranding to AVAX One and raising $550 million to pursue an avalanche treasury strategy. Ethereum investors also saw action as Tom Lee's BitMine sold stock at $70 to raise $365 million for its Ethereum treasury. PayPal Ventures invested in Stable to expand PYUSD's reach, unlocking new commerce opportunities in emerging markets. The US and UK formed a transatlantic task force to align on crypto and capital markets. Treasury chiefs Rachel Reeves and Scott Bessent said the group will deepen cooperation on digital assets and cross-border fundraising, a sign that global policymakers are taking crypto seriously. Innovation continues with Plasma unveiling the first stablecoin-native neobank for emerging markets, with its mainnet beta launching September 25th. Looking at the bigger picture, Deutsche Bank predicts that by 2030, Bitcoin could join gold on central bank balance sheets, evolving from a speculative bet into a legitimate pillar of the global financial system. From corporate adoption to innovation and regulatory alignment, crypto continues expanding its footprint across global finance. That wraps up this week's edition of Crypto Breakdown. Whether the market's pumping, dumping, or just drifting sideways, we're here to help you navigate it all. If you found today's episode helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with a friend. It's the best way to help us grow and keep delivering quality content. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.